He's a former Junior Team USA member and happens to be a national champion collegiate bowler with the Wichita State Shockers from Denton, Texas, Mr. Ryan Barnes. The winner of that first match will be taking on our number 3 seed. It's his first PBA telecast, looking for his first national title. Please welcome Nate Stubler. The winner of that match will advance to take on the number 2 seed. He's a 13-time champion on the PBA Tour, including winning the Players' Championship, Mr. Bill O'Neill. And your tournament leader. He's a 3-time champion, also including a Players' Championship from Saginaw, Michigan. Please welcome Tom Smallwood. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your final 5.
What are you saying about this tournament?
Overall, finished 13th. Can't really complain. I think I exceeded my expectations. With the new company, wasn't too familiar with the balls. Plus, like the new urethane rule. Sucked that they played so differently every block to block. Because I don't know the rule. Because I don't know the equipment that well yet. I wasn't really confident in a lot of the moves I was making, so I relied on the ball reps. So yeah, after that first block where I used reactive, the next block, reactive looked like poop. I tried sticking to it since that's where I got most of my pins, but that wasn't the move. Everybody else used urethane. I stuck to reactive and I paid the price, unfortunately. So the next block I just committed to using urethane for better or for worse. If it was the play, I could get some pins, but if it wasn't, at least I would have learned more about the urethane ball. And it actually was good. I went like 350 over the last block. So I jumped back from 20th to 13th.
Big money.
Yeah, too many pins to catch up to the show, unfortunately, but it was a win-win in my eyes because either it worked or I learned. So yeah, overall,
and you made like $10,000.
Yeah, made 10 grand, learning new equipment, all in a day's work.
Hi.
How'd it go?
There's good and bad to take away from the event. I had a frustrating finish. After the first match play block, I popped off and I went like 6-2, and I got from 15th to 6th, and I was 50 out of the show. And then the next block, I managed to never figure out how to get my ball through the pins, and I shot 180 twice, not missing the hole, just nining them to death. And I went from 6th all the way down to 17th, and that's about where I stayed. I couldn't pick up a spare to save my life in qualifying, and I figured that out in match play, and I shot, and I missed, I think, 2 spares by the end of it. I was kind of fried out. I missed 2 lazy spares, but overall, a good start to the year, you know, top 20 finish. I had a chance to be in the show at one point, like I was up at the top of the leaderboard. Just had some mental errors, mental mistakes that we'll get rid of as we sharpen up throughout the year. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, just okay. Like, I'm all right with it.
As for me, it was an interesting one. The last match play block, I knew I had to get a lot of pins and a lot of wins. And I started off winning my first game with 240, knowing I needed probably 5 or 6 or 7 of those 250 with wins games. Yeah, just came real close. I actually ended up not knowingly, but I did have a chance to shoot 279 the last game and make the TV show. However, I ended up only shooting 250 with a miss in the 10th. But either way, really good game. Felt good about it. I went 16-8 in match play, which was obviously very, very good. I think I had the second best match play record. Won a lot of close matches, lost a couple close matches, but either way, good start to the year, good tournament. Used the black hammer for all 48 games, and yeah, I think it's just
drilled
a good tournament. Good tournament overall. Players Championship, 6th place finish, 14 out the show. Solid start to the year.